Alright, so it is day 2. We are about to head to the car show. Just waiting on Thomas and Mallory. Eric ended up buying a paint-matched grill for his truck yesterday. Only spent $40 on it, which is a pretty good deal. They had a lot of stuff for sale, a lot of parts. And then I got new emblems for my Mustang. They're black coyote emblems. So, and then we also
I got a few parts for my car actually.
Oh yeah, what'd you get?
So for the underside, since I do a lot of drag racing, underneath they make UPR makes a kit that just kind of bolts onto your K-frame. So the new tubular K-frame that me and you put in, it bolts right onto there, and God forbid I break at the track, it's a spot I can hook up and tow myself off. And then other than that, I bought a helmet hook, so inside the car on the roll cage, like where it sits, like right here, going across the bar, I'll put the helmet hook there, and I can hang my helmet while I'm at the track, so it's no longer sitting on the floor or seat. I think it'll look cool too for car shows.
Yeah, it did look cool. And then Eric got me a new spoiler for my Mustang, a carbon fiber spoiler. I'm super excited about.
What style is it, babe?
GT 350 or 500? 500. Yeah.
It was a 350 rear drive.
Oh, so it's a GT 500.
No. I stand corrected. There was a GT 350, but it was like a super one-off random special, and all it was appearance package.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you bring it yet?
No.
Yeah. We'll show you guys that. Probably just put it on my car at the field. We left my Mustang at the show overnight. That way we didn't have to like drive it back and forth to the house. No point. That's why we have the truck. But yeah. So tomorrow is the parade. What time is that?
Tonight's the parade.
Oh, tonight's the parade?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was tomorrow morning.
No. Awards are tomorrow morning.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tonight's the parade.
What time is the parade?
I think 5.
Oh, okay.
Or 6.
So then, does everyone pretty much just drive their Mustang out of the show?
They line up.
They line up and
they wait like an hour, and then everyone drives at 0.1 mile an hour.
Wait, do we have enough gas in the Mustang? Eric's putting on the new spoiler.
Yeah, so I did get, so these are like, so I have like the fans feet up and down, the rear spoiler, but the rest of it. And they did. He went ahead of So, for my style, or for my year anyways, 17. I don't want to close it.
Where is it?
I have a hard time even asking you for favors.
I was gonna say not vlogging this.
Never mind. I'm gonna go tell her. We got something coming over. I don't think I've ever met your wife. Up in New York. I did. I said that you need to make a class.
I always got to make sure not to overtime.
Full navigation, and then I got my hands-on music through it. It's fun. The carbon from
I do them all by hand first.
Oh, okay. Yeah. The center piece is from at the floor replacement piece. Nothing's true fiber though. I don't have that kind of money. Yeah. It's so expensive. Some of the pieces, like the steering wheel, center dash.
Hey y'all, we're here at Ford Nationals. We are currently up at the top of a giant hill. Under the pavilion, they got some nice cars for sale. They got some more down there. I upgraded. Allison lent me her scooter. Oh yes, she upgraded. We're not manual anymore. We're automatic.
Yeah, we're automatic.
Boys are checking out.
Go hitting the gas too hard and leaning back.